Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. Today's video is going to be about installing a short shifter for the E30, and we're actually going to tint the headlights yellow. I got some off eBay, some like yellow headlight tint film, so I want to do that, give it like a little nice cool touch. And then I don't know, for some reason these long ass gears feel like a truck or something like that, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. And yeah, so stick around. Alright guys, so check it out. So this is neutral. You guys can see it's just like a lot of play, you know, like but first gear, second gear, third, fourth, all the way down here, and fifth, all the way up there across the blocks, like by 7-Eleven. And I don't know, it just doesn't feel good. So like, plus it's old, it's just like really raggedy and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and switch that out. See, I saw a couple YouTube videos, you know, shout out to YouTube for that YouTube University, making me a certified, non-certified engineer. So we're gonna check it out, see how it is, and yeah.
Let me go grab.
Figure it out. So I got to the assembly. First thing I had to do was take off all the not the hardware, the like deadening or whatever. Like this is kind of old. This unfortunately ripped when I was trying to open it up. Sucks, but yeah, I'm gonna have to buy a new one, or I don't know, super glue it back or something to keep this good. I'll probably see if AutoZone has like a brand new one I can use. And then yeah, I took off the snap ring, and we're at the assembly now. It's super greasy, you know, so I'm gonna have to take this off. I'll get to it right now. Alright guys, so this is the old one. Miguel, shout out to Miguel, managed to get it out. Super old. And then this is the new one. I believe it's from Z3. It's like a common typical mod that they do on E30s. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one back on. Alright, so we fitted the old stock shifter to the new one, and then Miguel got it set up. New white doohickey there, and then to the other doohickey there. Doohickey.
So it's gonna go like.
No, doohickey's gonna sit like that. Alright, new one's in. Kind of pretty crispy so far. Hopefully I don't die on the freeway. So I think I was trying to put the snap ring back to the whole assembly, so we'll be done and test it out. I'll do a break real quick. You know the vibes, you know the whoop these. Shout out to my Lotero guy right here. So stole papa. Alright guys, so sorry if I didn't show like any of the work being done, but just due to like so much exposure, just due to like the circumstances that's going on in LA, if you guys can hear the sirens. Yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of speed up the process and finish installing the shifter and go home, because apparently there's a curfew and we have to be home by like 6 or something. If not, we get the cups. Know what I mean? We get the cups, huh? What? And the last thing's on, and should be good to go after. Oh yeah. Alright, so update, check it out. So running gear, neutral, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The only thing is I can't like really sick, bruh. But because there's like another bushing I need to replace that's like closer to the transmission in the bottom, there's like more play than usual. Like if your bushings are good, you're not gonna have any play, or like very little. But because the other bushing needs to be replaced, it's like, so even when it's like idling, it's like But yeah, solid, man. Like, it's dope. It's a good mod in case you don't want to be feel like an ice road trucker, you know, shifting gears, being queer. But, but yeah, it's dope. So that's gonna be one of the first mods done to the E30. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. See y'all in the next one. Peace.